Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zoom for more than 45 minutes. To use Zoom for more than 45 minutes in a meeting, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan, as free Zoom accounts have a 40-minute limit on group meetings, 3 or more participants. Now, here's how you can handle it. If you're using the free Zoom account and need to hold meetings longer than 40 minutes, you can upgrade to one of Zoom's paid plans, such as the Pro, Business, or Enterprise plan. Now, open the Zoom desktop app or can go to the Zoom web app at zoom.us and sign into your account. On the Zoom desktop app, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Then go ahead and select settings. Now, you don't need to go to settings, of course, when you have this banner that has been displayed for you, but let's say settings. Now, once you click on settings, from the settings window, head over to the left corner of the screen and you're going to find profile. Now select profile. Now from the profile window here, you're going to see upgrade to pro, and you have edit my profile, you have view advanced features. Now select upgrade to pro. So waiting for the next window. Okay, I'm clicking on that, and let me just click on upgrade now. All right, accept. I'm just gonna go back on this. Now this is the Zoom Workplace Pro, and now you have your plan details. So select a subscription cycle. You have monthly and you have annual. Now select any of this. First off, you can also select the number of users. Then select if you want monthly, this is the price, and select if you want to be annual. Or you can click on explore other plans to check out other plans. Now this is pro and this is business. So here under, let's click on pro. You have pro, and then you have business, you have business plus. So this is pro. Now you can click on call features, meetings, and all the benefits that you have or that you stand to gain if you're using the pro feature. Now you can also click on business. Now business and business plus, any of these will do. So click on that and select any of them. Now select your plan. Once you've selected your plan, it's going to take you to a window where you can now, of course, follow through the steps to pay for that plan. And for sure, I don't know why it's not really coming or why it's taking so much time to come up, but I'm going to click on upgrade pro again. And wait for the next prompt. So select any of them and click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to take up to the checkout window where you can now add your card details. So your address, continue to payment, and once you click on continue to payment, that's just it. I'm not ready to subscribe, or I'm not ready to upgrade. Now after upgrading, your account will no longer have the 40 minutes meeting limits. So you can now start or schedule a meeting, and Zoom will allow you to hold it for more than 45 minutes without interruptions. If you also have the free Zoom account, you can hold a one-on-one meetings for an unlimited duration, no time limit. But the 40-minute limit only applies to group meetings with 3 or more participants. Okay, and how can you start a one-on-one meeting? Just open the Zoom app and click on new meeting, and then just invite a single participant to join the meeting. Your one-on-one meeting will not be limited to 40 minutes, and you will continue as long as needed. If you're in the group meeting with a free account and you hit the 40 limit, the meeting will automatically end. However, you can restart the meeting by sending out a new invite to all participants. This is a temporary workaround if you do not want to upgrade but need to continue the meeting before 40 minutes. The meeting will automatically end when you hit 40-minute mark. Now click on new meeting or use the schedule option to create a new meeting and send the meeting link to participants to rejoin the meeting. If you have fewer than 3 participants, you can continue the meeting as long as you need. While for a meeting with more than 2 participants, you have to upgrade to a paid plan to bypass the 40-minute limit. By upgrading to a paid plan or utilizing workarounds like restarting the meeting or holding one-on-one sessions, you can use Zoom without the 40 minutes time limit. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.